In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix SSL Handshake error in Cloudflare. If you're seeing errors like 525 or 526 when visiting your site through Cloudflare, you're running into an SSL Handshake problem. In simple terms, Cloudflare and your web server are trying to agree on a secure connection, and they can't, usually because the SSL TLS mode in Cloudflare doesn't match the reality of your server's certificate. The good news is that this is typically a quick settings fix. Start by opening your Cloudflare dashboard for the site that's having trouble. In the left menu, go to SSL TLS, then choose Overview. This page controls how Cloudflare talks to your origin server over HTTPS. Now choose the mode that matches what exists on your hosting server. If your host does not have any SSL certificate installed at all, select Flexible. With Flexible, Cloudflare encrypts traffic between your visitors and Cloudflare, but it does not require encryption between Cloudflare and your origin. This is a compatibility option meant for setups with no certificate at the server. It can get your site working quickly, but remember, it does not secure the Cloudflare to origin hop, so plan to improve this later. If your server does have an SSL certificate installed, even a self-signed one, set the mode to full. Full establishes encryption all the way from the visitor to Cloudflare and then from Cloudflare to your server. It doesn't require that the origin certificate be publicly trusted, only that it exists and can complete the handshake. This is a solid middle ground when you have a certificate in place, but it might not be from a globally trusted authority. Only choose full, strict, if your origin has a valid, unexpired certificate that Cloudflare can verify from a trusted source. That can be a standard certificate from a recognized certificate authority, such as Let's Encrypt, or a Cloudflare Origin CA certificate specifically issued for your domain. Full, strict is the most secure option because Cloudflare checks that the certificate is both present and trusted, preventing man-in-the-middle risks and configuration mistakes. To recap the logic behind these modes, Flexible is for no origin certificate, full is for any origin certificate, and full strict is for a valid, trusted, unexpired origin certificate. Picking the correct one aligns Cloudflare's expectations with your server's reality and resolves most handshake failures. After you adjust the setting on the SSL TLS overview page, give it a brief moment to take effect. That alignment is usually all it takes to bring your site back online securely.